love the beach.
All right, Peppa and George. Do you want to go surfing?
Surfing! It sounds like George wants to go surfing. I want to go too. Let me get the surfboards. There's one. There's two.
Listen here, Peppa and George. The ocean is a dangerous place. Don't go too deep.
Okay, Mommy Pig. We'll be careful. I promise. Daddy Pig, can you help us get on our surfboard?
Of course, Peppa. Remember, you and George need to balance in the middle of your board so you don't fall off. Want to give it a try? Your turn to give it a try, George. Peppa's balancing.
Wiggle! Wiggle! Play!
There you go. That looks great.
Balancing! We're balancing, George. Let's go to the water and give it a try. Alright, George. Now we just have to wait for a big wave. Remember what Daddy said? We'll try to balance in the middle of our boards. Wave! Here it comes, George. Get ready. Woo! Surfing was hard work. It's so hard to stay up on the board.
You'll get better, Peppa. All you have to do is practice.
George, where are you going? Wait for me. Play. I think George wants to play at the camper. Come on, Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. Come over here.
Peppa and George find something to play while I make us a snack in the kitchen.
I have an idea. Peppa, George, come over here.
Sand.
Yes, George, bury me in the sand.
This is so fun. Your turn, George. Berry.
That's right, George. You're burying Daddy Pig in the sand.
I think we've got him all covered up. Daddy Pig, where are you?
Here I am. Ha ha ha. All right, kids. Who wants to have a turn next?
Me! Lay flat in the sand, George, so we can bury you.
It looks like George is all covered up.
That was fast, Daddy Pig. George, are you in there? Where did you go? Here!
Hop on out, George. It's Peppa's turn.
Oh, I can't wait to get buried. This is gonna be so fun.
Come on, George. Let's start burying Peppa. That does it. Peppa, are you there?
Peppa! I'm right here, George.
Peppa, George, come to the table for a snack.
I'm here, Mommy Pig. Yeah.
I better get the grilling. All this playing. Tummy's starting to rumble.
The grill smells lovely, Daddy Pig. Fresh corn on the cob is one of my favorites. Here's your snack, Peppa and George. Eat up. It'll be time to go swimming soon.
All done. I'm finished too, Mommy Pig. Our snack was delish. We're ready to go swimming now.
All right, everyone grab your things and let's head down to the water.
Look at all of the waves. It's beautiful. Come on, let's go. I just love the beach. Come on, George, let's sing a song. Jumping up and down in salty puddles, splish, splash, Both please splash.
Look, Peppa and George, here come the crabs.
Crabs. Wow, there's so many crabs. And each one of their shells is so different and beautiful. Oh, hi! I think this one likes me. Oh my goodness! I just got a crab kiss!
You know, Peppa, I've heard that crab kisses mean good luck.
Isn't this great, George? The sun is shining. It's such a beautiful day. What should we do now? Swim! Okay, I love swimming. Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, can we go swimming now?
Just stay close by, kids. Don't go too far.
Okay, Mommy, that sounds good. Come on, George, let's go. Floating in this beautiful water is so relaxing. Isn't it, George? Float! Come on, Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. Come swim with us. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
This has been a gorgeous day at the beach. We should probably head back to the camper. It's getting late. All right, George and Peppa, it's time to get in bed.
I'm headed to the top bunk. Good night, Mommy Pig. Good night, Daddy Pig. Good night, George.
It was a perfect beach day.